Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video guys, we'll be doing a makeup tutorial. I think it's been quite some time I haven't done a makeup tutorial. So guys, I'll be using the new Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette she released a few months ago. I know it's late, but though I did order it before the lockdown, but during the lockdown it came and I was just distracted or something else, during this period. So I decided to try it now. I said, okay, why not play with it at this time? And that's definitely what we are going to be creating, getting this look. All right, guys, if you're new to my channel, see my face for the first time, welcome to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back. Okay, like I said, this is what we're going to be creating today. Let me just quickly open the palette. And so you can see, guys, the gorgeous colors. They are so cute. There are a lot of colors you can play with. This is what I used today, and this is what we are going to be seeing, how we created it. And guys, the first one, the volume 1, it's one of my favorite palette of all time that I go for. But I think when I saw this colors, it was like, oh no, I need to get them. I wanted to use this color during the spring and the summer until the lockdown came. But all right, guys, without further talk, let's just go ahead and see how we created this video and how the outcome, how it is, how it's going to be, and if it's blendable, if it's pigmented or not. Just to save time, I needed to do the rest, so we can just go ahead to the main eye. I will use this brush from Morphe M441, this brush. My transiting color, I'll be using this, the Comfort Zone and the Perfectionist. I'm going to be using this too. Okay, it's more like kind of a pink brown. I don't know if you can see it, guys. It's like a pink brown. Okay, I think I have to add because it's not showing. Then why don't we try this? Feeling myself. That makes sense. Feeling myself. All right, guys, I'll be using this Feeling Myself using the Juvia's Place J125 blend. A kind of a mild orange. Let's try this. We're playing with colors, so I know I want a vibrant color at the same time, but I know the color, so it's a lot. It came out so much. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, guys, can you see that pigment? Okay, it's too much because I cannot just focus, so let me just dust the remaining one here, and I'll go ahead and just blend it together to the previous colors I used. I just wanted to change the color, so this case will give me that. Okay, they blended well together, guys. Can you see this? But I think it's more focused here. Okay, let me add it down this way. It's very soft, milky, and easy to blend. Sincerely, to this extent, guys, I am having no issue blending at all. Morphe M573 brush to just blend this up both together. It's a clean one, so let's go ahead. I like to go with a clean brush to blend better. I think then I know, okay, there's no color mixing together to give you, a clean stuff. Let's go ahead and use another bright colors. This time I'll be using this My Man orange, but a more vibrant orange. This is what I'm using. I don't know, my camera, I don't know if the light is doing justice to it though, but this is what came out. See how pigmented it is? And I am just going directly into the crease line this time because I want this effect to show down here. I am going to be using this Crazy, like crazy. I did not add any setting spray. I'm just adding it directly to see, dash this in and my outer. Okay. Guys, can you see the pigment? So now I'm just going to put it down. This time I'm just taking it in like down here, dragging it down because I want this color to mix a bit from the beginning, I mean here to here. Then I will blend J127 brush to just blend this together so it doesn't look so harsh. So guys, with the same pencil brush, I will go in with this dark, I think it's the dark one, just to give it more kind of intense color. I'll be using the Temptress. This is the like kind of a black, but it's having a shimmer inside. So I'll be using this one. And then I'll go back and just blend it up with the same brush I used before. I think this darker one, it's not so easy to blend because darker colors, I mean such dark colors, especially black, are not so easy to blend. So you just have to take your time to keep focus. That's why actually I didn't use a lot, because I know blending takes time. After doing the crease, I just went ahead to just fix the side. So guys, all right, let's just do this side together. This kind of maroon red, but it's the shimmer one. This one, guys, this very one here. So, and I would just dash it here, just place it in between. And then I went back to the previous brush that I used with the Crazy mix with black. Match this place together so I don't have this harsh line. Kind of yellow shimmer, but it's a very dark mix with brown. I don't know how to call this color. This place, like matching this place together with the previous one I used before. I mean the maroon I used. So I'm just gonna match it and take it a bit down, like coming down to the inner. And then I'll go back to that same brush that I used with the maroon shimmer, and then just go to this place, that the beginning of the maroon, I will just match it there. To apply this Ride or Diamond. She has it previously in the other palette, but this one that has more shimmer to it, so I'll be using this. I think with such shimmer, your hand is going to be better. I mean, your finger, sorry. Your finger, just use your finger, it's going to be more obvious. Dab it into this inner corner, guys. You see how brilliant it is? Like, whoa, that's me there. Brush and just use, and I just match it in, like pressing it in. Okay, I will go with this precise pencil to kind of blend this area together before. I'm not going to the shimmer ones, just this corner to blend it well. I think this will do it justice. Like this grateful that areas together. Okay, just to brighten my brow bone, I'll be using this called this Shimmer creamy one. Okay guys, let me just go ahead and fix the false lashes, then I'll be back so we can see the final look together. Yes, this is the final look, guys. I am so very impressed to see how it just lined out. It was, I mean, the pigment, it's very good, that it's not so, you don't need a lot to keep on applying and applying. You see how when I was applying them, it was easy, it wasn't stressful. And I also noticed if you want to get a better result, use your finger to apply. Mostly the shimmers using your finger is going to be better, because I did try the both, but I prefer using my finger to apply it. And guys, that was just all I did. I went ahead to use the two darker shades I used in my outer V on my lower lash, and also use my mascara, and that was all I did after that short break. So guys, I'm very impressed with this palette. I'm going to be playing more and more. I think this period I'm going to be doing whatever makeup I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using this eye palette to create more and more kind of shades. Like, I actually didn't go to this part or this part. I mean, I just pinpoint a little of them, just a little. I think the shade that I use here, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. That's what I use to create this. But I'm going to be working next time on this golden place, because you know I love gold colors. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy how I created this video. Like I said, I'll be doing more from this palette. I see you again in my next video. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do so right away, and the notification button so you don't miss any upload that I am going to be creating or making. I see you again in my next video. Please stay safe. Bye.